sat beside a man from Hollywood, California on a plane. He said he had rich and famous friends, yeah, he liked dropping names. I said, well, how'd it do? That's good for you. I dig a lot of those actors, but son, you ain't got a thing on me. See, I got friends with tractors. They'll grow your groceries, haul a load, pull you out, then fix the road. They're good at slowing speeders down when they pass through from out of town. I'll live out in the country, happily ever after. I got everything I need, 'cause I got friends with tractors. Come Friday night, we hit the woods, go bogging in our trucks. It's just about a guarantee some good old boy gets stuck. Where I come from, you can bet you buck, a mud hole ain't a factor. I'll sink mine to the floorboard, 'cause I got friends with tractors. And they'll grow your groceries, haul a load, pull you out, then fix the road. They're good at slowing speeders down when they pass through from out of town. I'll live out in the country, happily ever after. I got everything I need, 'cause I got friends with tractors. Yeah. I've been to fancy 5-star restaurants and I left there barely fed. They charged me for the water, the butter and the bread. That gourmet meal looked more to me like fish bait on a cracker. But I'll stay fat and happy, 'cause I got friends with tractors. And they'll grow your groceries, haul a load, pull you out, then fix the road. They're good at slowing speeders down when they pass through from out of town. We'll live out in the country, happily ever after. I got everything I need, 'cause I got friends with tractors. Yeah, I got everything I need, 'cause I got friends with tractors. Yeah. Yeah, man, talking about Internationals and John Deere's, Massey Ferguson's, whatever you got. We don't discriminate. Front-end loaders, bush hogs, post hole diggers, need them, gotta have them. I believe I do know one actor. Is Larry the Cable Guy an actor? Oh well, he's got a tractor.
Through the heartland of America he travels, through the summers and the winter snow and rain, with the golden grain a-flowing and the big combines a-rolling, always moving with the harvest of our land. Proud of living free and proud of this great country, as he looks out from beneath his suntanned brow, reaching out to feed the people of America, the world, moving to the beat of his own country drum. He's everywhere in this great land. He holds the good earth in his hands. He's a friend. He's the great American farmer. You'll find him on his way to the field before the hot summer sun touches the morning, and he'll still be out there with the last daylight, working that piece of ground that lives in his mind forever. It's a permanent part of his soul. You'll find him pumping fuel into his tractor or setting posts for his electric fence to keep his cattle in, and you'll find him cutting cane in Oklahoma, picking cotton in Texas, baling hay in Indiana, New York, and California, cutting wheat in Kansas and the Dakotas, and combining corn in Iowa, Nebraska, the Carolinas. He's got dirt on his big calloused hands, a sweat-stained straw hat, and a heart as big as this big land he works. He's got a country girl for a wife, and kids like everybody else. You'll find him in town, visiting on Saturday afternoon and sitting in church on Sunday morning. He listens to the world through his radio and TV, and he's always at the mercy of the weather that guides his fortunes forever. He's humble. He loves his neighbors. He knows what friendship really means. He's a good man. He loves this great country of ours. He knows the pride of standing at the end of a field, looking at the even furrows that move out to the end of the world, watching that bumper crop stretch up to touch the sky. He knows the beauty of a soft, gentle rain and how to break that top crust so that Mother Earth can enjoy a refreshing drink. You find him sweating from the hot summer sun and the exhaust from his big four-wheeler, and sometimes you'll see him crying inside as he looks out on the hail-stripped stalks that put his whole year's work to death, the night before he was to have reaped the harvest of his dreams. You'll find him leaning on the kitchen table late in the evening, weary from the labors of the day, happy that his farm is bedded down for another night. He's got dirt on his face and his hair's mussed, his shirt unbuttoned and his shoes off, a glass of iced tea in his hand, and he's laying down a few soft words to his wife about the country, the politicians, and next year. You can count on him when the chips are down. His word is his bond and his honor. In the wintertime, you'll find him out in the shed, working on his tractor, combine, or one-way, getting ready for the springtime and the long, hard summer ahead. He knows the excitement that comes from watching the yellow school bus kick up dust as it moves down a country road with a load of happy kids, and he lives knowing that his crop can burn up in the summer sun or his house burned down on a winter night and help could never get there in time. And you'll find him on a winter evening, sitting by the fire with his hands wrapped around a hot cup of coffee. Yes, he's more than a friend. He's the great American farmer. He takes time to thank the Lord on Sunday morning. He finds beauty in the gentle springtime rain. He believes in this great country, in his neighbors and his friends, and he knows just where America begins. He's everywhere in this great land. He holds the good earth in his hands. He's a friend. He's the great American farmer. He's a friend. He's the great American farmer. He's a friend. He's the great American farmer.
Daddy left his hands in dirt, and often tired and sometimes hurt. He could make life grow from things inert. That's a farmer's life. He taught me to work beneath the cloudless skies, face my fears in the darkest nights. He taught me to talk to Jesus Christ, say a farmer's prayer. Jesus, walk these fields with me. Give me strength and the faith I need. Bless this farm, my family, and this farmer's life. The smell of life rides a prairie breeze. Generations watching over me. The next in line is bouncing on my knee, learning a farmer's prayer. Jesus, walk these fields with me. Give me strength, the faith I need. Bless this farm, my family, in this farmer's life. When I die, placed beneath the wind, where the gentle rains can wash away my sins, but leave me to lie in this old shirt I'm in. Say a farmer's prayer. And Jesus walked these fields with me, give me strength, the faith I need. Bless this farm and my family, this farmer's life. Bless this farm and my family, and this farmer's life. That's this farmer's prayer.
While resting one evening by the side of the road, I saw an old farmer in a field he just hoed. His face was all brown and wrinkled by the sun and the wind, and he was talking to the Lord just like he'd be talking to a friend. "Well, sir," he said with his voice calm and quiet, "them corn tassels need sacking. Got no string to tie it. Hadn't a rainin' so long that the fields is mighty dusty. And it's been so unbearable hot that the kids is even getting fussy. Now that grass down in the pasture, it should be knee-high. If we could just have a little shower, Lord, it might keep the cow from going dry." Oh, but listen to me talking. You'd think I wasn't grateful. Why, if you didn't know me so well, Lord, you'd think I was downright hateful. You'd think I'd forgot about that new calf that you sent, and the money and the mail that took care of the rent. Ma's coal's better, and Johnny's home from the Navy, and that good Sunday dinner of chicken and dumplings and gravy. And that new preacher you sent us, Lord, he's sure a fine young man. Why, he's just converting them sinners to beat the band. Well, guess I'll mosey on home now, Lord. Won't take no more of your time. Guess there's plenty folks hereabout that's waiting to ring your line. Evening to you, Lord, and watch over us tonight. Don't you worry about us none, Lord. Everything's gonna be all right.